Hey folks, it was warm election day across the valley, and it's a pretty mild evening as well. Your temperatures all in the mid-70s right now, 75s, a bunch of them across the lower and mid-valley, 76 on the island at this hour. Same thing, McAllen, Rio Grande City checks in at 78 degrees. Let's watch Future Check, shall we? It says that overnight tonight by 8 o'clock in the morning, we're still in the low to mid-70s, a little warmer at the beach. Then tomorrow afternoon, back into the 80s across most of the region. A very warm day once again. Let's go into Thursday now. This is where we start to see some changes. First of all, in the morning, it's in the mid-70s to start the day. By afternoon, most of the valleys in the 80s. By 6 o'clock, we're still in the 80s, 78 at the beach. But look to the north. Here comes the next front. Still timing a little bit up in the air on this, but we're going with the quicker versions of the models, and that brings the front through by 1 o'clock in the morning. Thursday night, Friday morning. With that, temperatures drop off quickly into the 50s, and by the time you get out of bed Friday morning, everybody's in the 50s except the beach, where it's about 60, and then it doesn't warm up much on Friday. In fact, maybe mid-50s. We've still got 63 as our official high, but we might be hard-pressed to get there on Friday. Take a look. We go 86, 90, 63, but we'll spend a lot of the day in the 50s on Friday and then bounce back to around 70 on Saturday, 79 on Sunday, and then another front late Monday drops temperatures again pretty significantly for the middle part of next week. Now, satellite radar picked up on a couple of brief showers in the coastal counties today, but that's about it. Future Check says the rest of the night's quiet, just a little bit of cloudiness. That's about it. Tomorrow, we're kind of a mix of clouds and sunshine once again. Not a clear blue sky, but certainly a little bit of sunshine. Thursday, we can't rule out an isolated daytime shower, but the better chance comes at night when that front comes in. And it looks like this front, again, we're saying about 10 o'clock right now, but this front, give or take a couple of hours, could come in with some pretty heavy downpours, some pretty significant rain, a possibility when this front pushes through Thursday night. And even behind it, the clouds and the rain continue into Friday morning. This is 3 a.m. There's 6, 7, 8 a.m. Still a lot of clouds, still a lot of light rain. Finally, by about 5 o'clock, most of it's gone except maybe right along the coast. And then overnight, Friday night, clouds maybe thin out just a little bit. Only about a 10% chance of rain tomorrow during the daytime. Tomorrow night's dry. During the day on Thursday, about a 10% probability, but then it shoots up to at least 60% for Thursday night. Holds on Friday morning, and then it goes away on Friday night, drops back down to about 10%, and the weekend at this point looks dry. So for tonight, partly to mostly cloudy, very mild night, 70 for low, east southeasterly winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 86, partly sunny skies. It's a warm and humid day, east southeasterly winds at about 5 to 15. Here's your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for the next 7 days. Lots of ups and downs. Up to 90 on Thursday, down to 63 on Friday, lows in the 50s, 70 with clouds on Saturday, 79 with some sunshine on Sunday. Veterans Day, timing of the front's going to matter. If the front comes in a little later, temperatures will be warmer than that. If it comes a little earlier, we won't make that, but I think more than likely we're in the 70s, and we drop off and only rebound to about 65 on Tuesday with rain once again. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.